Want to get 2 to 3 hours back in your week while doubling or tripling your email list with qualified leads? Watch this video and create magnetic lead magnets with content you already have. My name is Mary Alice Goldsmith, and friends call me Mare, and I'm a business coach helping ambitious coaches create thriving six-figure businesses that they are fully aligned with and absolutely love. For the best online coaching business tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell to be notified for a new On Air with Mare every single Tuesday. If you want to build a successful online business, having an engaged email list is a must. And if you're listening to all those people who are saying email is dead, it's simply not true. By the end of this video, you will have 7 creative ways to take the amazing content you already have and turn it into your next email growing machine. This is exactly what I did to grow my email list to thousands without spending thousands of hours and dollars. And now it's your turn. Let's dive in. Idea number 1. You know that live you just did on Instagram or Facebook that's getting a ton of engagement? Take that video, download it, transcribe it, better yet, upload it to rev.com and let them transcribe it and put it into a quick infographic. If you want to go high level, store the video on a web page, add the infographic or a workbook that takes them through the step-by-step processes that you explained in the video. Idea number 2, that expert interview you did, take that interview, again, upload it onto a web page, add a step-by-step, a checklist, or a workbook, and voila, you have an amazing lead magnet helping your audience solve a problem that you may not necessarily solve. An example of this would be a business coach that interviews a copywriter and helps her audience up-level their sales pages. Idea number 3, if you have a 3, 5, or 7-day challenge, can you turn that into your next best video series? You sure can. Little pro tip, sometimes when we do challenges, we get instant market research, learning the wants and the needs and the demand of the topic that we're covering. If you're getting a ton of engagement, people are really loving what you're putting down, why wouldn't you turn it into a video series? I'd love to know, so comment below, what are some challenges that you've done that you can actually convert to a video series right now and create your next best lead magnet? Idea number 4, you know that long blog post on Facebook you just posted, or even a blog post that you have on your website that gives people the step-by-steps, the 1, 2, 3s, and the ABCs? Why not turn that into a blueprint or a checklist and put that up as your lead magnet? Number 5, you know all those how-to tutorials? You guessed it, create a lead magnet. In fact, one of my highest converting lead magnet is a how-to tutorial on me doing a live sales call. It was amazing and people loved it. So don't forget about those how-tos that you have on your Vimeo account or your YouTube channel that could be your next greatest lead magnet. Number 6, webinars. These are powerful because they are jam-packed with so much information and oftentimes help ascend your customers to the next part of the customer value journey. I talked about that in a video last week, which you can grab in the show notes below. Number 7, remember those big old ebooks that used to be all the rage? Well, not so much anymore. But before you go and throw away that ebook, what if you took it and broke it up into a lead magnet that led into a sales funnel, allowing you to give more and more value to your new follower over time, as opposed to just dumping a 100-page ebook on their computer? So there you have it, 7 ways to take your amazing content and turn it into a list building machine. The advantages of doing this are endless, but the number 1 is that they are tried and tested. So you know that people are already interested in this content. So the chances of increasing your conversions with qualified leads is pretty high. Not to mention the time you will save with repurposing content versus trying to create and rewrite the wheel. The first step in making sure this is successful is taking inventory. I put something special together called the Content Inventory Grid that will help you see what content you already have available that could be your next greatest lead magnet, and will also help you sync it up to your next best offer, creating an impeccable customer value journey. Remember, our lead magnets only work when it is part of a larger picture, which contains the customer value journey. Again, I talked about this in last week's video, and you can grab that in the show links below. To grab your content inventory grid, simply click the link below in the show notes, add your name and email, and I will send it directly to your inbox. If you'd like to join a community of thriving businesswomen just like you, be sure to head on over to my Thriving Female Entrepreneur group on Facebook, where I share up-to-date business tips and tricks. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and be sure to share it with your fellow business besties. Finally, if you want to check out that customer value journey map video that I did last week, you can check that out here. I hope you have an amazing week, and I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday on my next On Air with Mare, where we will be talking about landing page best practices for increasing conversions. I'll see you then. Have a great week. Bye.